All right, I want to go through, because I think some people are feeling a little confused about the graph of f of x, and then you're asked questions about big F of x. And so let me talk through that a little. So remember that the relationship between these two is like this. This is the derivative of big F gives you the little f function, right? So some things to remember when you're dealing with, let's use a different one. So I have some function, right? When I take its derivative, that gives me critical points. Critical points. Where those are equal to, where this is equal to 0, those are my critical points, right? My max and min, stuff like that. So when you're looking at if this is little f of x, and someone's asking you about the max and min of big F of x, you're looking at these spots, right? So this is where big F of prime is equal to 0, right? The derivative is equal to 0 where this function is equal to 0. Okay? Inflection points are the second derivative of your function. These are your, where they're equal to 0. Those are your inflection points. Okay. Inflection points, notice the difference here. If it's the second derivative of this one, then it's the first derivative here, right? So if I'm looking at where my first derivative is equal to 0, what I'm looking at are the max and mins of this. So where I have a max or a min, those become the inflection points of big F. So you gotta write these. This is little f. This would be little f prime. So try to think back to the first part of the semester where you were graphing, you were sketching graphs based on this information. And then all you have to do is kind of relate it to this idea. And you have a graph of the middle bit, right? You have a graph of the prime. Any questions related to that concept? Okay. Thanks for being interrupted.